Check out this 2014 ACURA MDX. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth-shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include anti-lock brakes, air conditioning, power steering, cruise control, tilt wheel, child seat anchor, power windows, rear window defroster, compact disc player and alloy wheels. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.